Sam, go sit down, please. Sophie. Want a biscuit?
Sophie.
There you go.
He's walking backwards. Stand, Sam.
Alright guys, I've got the high speed rolling, so all we need is a little heating to go on here and we can start out. Perfect.
Now this gets it down to the basics.